Hello to all of you. Hopefully all of you know that what is atomic mass, because with the help of atomic mass only we can do today topic. So in my previous lectures we have this atomic mass list. Okay, all of you have this atomic mass list. You know about the atomic masses of each and every element which are present in our periodic table up to 20, because up to 20 are in your syllabus. Okay, now next topic is molecular mass, that how can we calculate the molecular mass and what is molecular mass. So firstly we must know about molecular mass, that what is molecular mass. Molecular mass is the total mass of all the atoms present in a molecule. Total mass of all the atoms present in a molecule. So how can we calculate? For example, H2O, that is water. How many atoms of hydrogen are there? 2 atoms of hydrogen. And how many atoms of oxygen? 1 atom of oxygen. And what is the mass of hydrogen? What is the mass of hydrogen? 1. Okay, so for 1 hydrogen we have mass 1. For 2 hydrogen we have mass 1 into 2 plus it's the total mass of each atom na. So 2 into 1 plus oxygen ka mass of oxygen is 16. And how many oxygen we have? 1 into 16. Total mass of each atom. Total mass of each atom. That means mass of hydrogen 1 plus 16. You can do this in this way also. Okay. So we have 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So total mass of water is 18. Next example is CO2. Mass of carbon is, what is the mass of carbon? Mass of carbon is 12. There is 1 carbon, 12 plus how many oxygen are there? 2. And mass of oxygen is 16. 16 plus 16. Then we have total 44. Okay, so we can do with the help of the present atom how many atoms are present in a molecule and their atomic masses. Mass of carbon is 12, there is only 1 carbon, plus mass of oxygen is 16. 16 plus 16 because there are 2 oxygen. And when we can add all these masses, then this is the molecular mass of CO2. In this way we can easily calculate all the molecular masses. Some more examples are there. Next is SO2. SO2. S is sulfur. Mass of sulfur is 32. Mass of sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 16 plus 16. Now total is 64. Now next example is O2. O2, there are 2 oxygen. Mass of oxygen is 16 plus 16. It is equal to 32. And we can also do in this way, 16 into 2 is equal to 32. You can do as you wish, which is more preferable for you. You can do according to that. Okay, so in this way we can easily calculate all the molecular masses of molecules. Okay, now next term next term is formula mass. Formula mass and molecule. As we calculate formula mass, as we calculate molecular mass, in the same way we can calculate formula mass also. Okay, the only difference is that molecular mass is for molecules. This means कोवलेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स, जिसमें कोवलेंट बॉन्ड होता है. एंड दीज फॉर्मूला मासेस आर फॉर ionic molecules, ionic substances which are made up of ions like sodium and potassium, sodium and calcium ion form NaCl. This type of ionic substances. Okay, so for ionic substances we use the term formula mass, and for covalent substances we use the term molecular mass. But calculation of formula mass and calculation of molecular mass, all are we doing in the same way. Okay, so what is the formula mass of NaCl? Mass of sodium mass of sodium is 23, mass of chlorine is 35.5. Now put the value. Sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5. now we have 58.5. ठीक है, 58.5. This is the mass for NaCl. 58.5 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. U. Atomic mass unit. U is for atomic mass unit. Okay. And when we explain this molecular mass in grams, molecular mass in gram, then it is known as gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass.